Welcome to the Secret Garden of Survival, and today we're checking on some beehives here. I'm going to be putting our horizontal Langstroth hives in this same area and get another couple of packages of bees or do a split. But this is our area here. We've got our beehives out in the background. And I'll be bringing our equipment in to check these hives out, see how they're doing, and maybe add another super to the one on the end, which was doing pretty well when I checked on it a couple weeks ago. My bee yard is on the edge of my food forest, so that my bees can pollinate all my fruit trees, nut trees, grapevines, and berry bushes. This is also a better setup for the bees because naturally bees live in trees at the edge of a forest, not out in a field in full sun. Although you can't see it, my bee yard is enclosed by a fence, since we do have traditional bee predators here, including the black bear. You can see that right now I've got traditional Langstroth hives here with boxes that go up vertically as the hive grows. Starting with the main hive body the queen lays eggs in, I've also got a brood super that the queen can go in and out of. Then there's a queen excluder that keeps the queen from laying eggs in the honey super. And I'll be looking at the honey supers today to see if they've got any honey put up and stored yet. Keep in mind that it's only mid-April, so I don't expect a lot of honey production yet. Let's wait for the smoke to calm the bees down, and then we'll take a look inside. Let's see how we're doing here. I still don't see any build-out of comb here. I don't see any comb being built out. Sorry, little bees. Wow. There's like no comb in here whatsoever. Alright, these are all empty. I don't know why they're all empty. Well, I've got some frames with some honey on it that I'm going to put in here. To give them a head start, I think. Because all of these, not only not drawn, but they robbed the frames of any wax that was on there before. So I'm going to switch these out. Empty frames here and replacing them with frames that we have extracted that had a little bit of honey on it. Still have a little bit of honey. And you can see that they are down there. There's the queen excluder, the black or brownish thing here, and they're working on putting comb and capping off comb there. So these are frames that aren't built out. This is comb that is built out, and I'm just going to replace all of these here with frames that do have comb to give them a better head start. Right, that second hive had a lot of drawn comb in the super, but it didn't have anything in there in terms of honey, and no capped frames. So we're just going to leave these two alone and finish working on my Langstroth horizontal hives.